WhatsApp is a unique social media app given how it is linked to people's phone numbers and your phone's phone book. So how exactly do you delete permanently contacts from WhatsApp? Well, because it is linked with your phone book, you have to do it by deleting them from your whole phone's contacts list. So today we'll be showing you exactly how to do that on the WhatsApp app, and keep in mind, again, they'll permanently delete that phone number from both WhatsApp and your regular phone and contacts app. So here's exactly how you do it. Once you are in WhatsApp, tap on this little icon in the bottom right. There you'll see all of your contacts on WhatsApp. Keep in mind that it will also include you. Then tap on the profile icon, not the name, but the profile icon of the contacts you want to delete. And then tap on the little eye icon in the menu that pops up. In this next screen, what you want to do is tap on these three dots in the top right, and from there go into View in Address Book. This will open up your phone's contacts app where the phone number will be listed, as well as the fact that it is connected to WhatsApp. At this point, the process will differ slightly depending on if you're on Android or iOS, but it will be pretty much identical. So if you don't see a delete option by default, simply head into More, and there you'll see a delete option for the contact. Then you'll be asked to confirm, so you simply confirm it, and the contact will be deleted from your phone contact page as well as from WhatsApp altogether. Naturally, as it's tied to your phone's contacts page, you can't do any of this from the web version of the WhatsApp app or the desktop app either. You have to do it on your mobile device. So that's exactly how you can delete WhatsApp contacts on the mobile app. So if you found this video helpful, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.